there, I'm Janette Lane, and I'm here with Die Cutting Essentials editor Kirstie McCrum.
Hi Janette, how are you doing?
Kirstie, welcome back.
Thank you. Thank you for having me back.
We've got an exciting video for you today because we're going to do an unboxing of a special edition of Die Cutting Essentials.
Yeah, we're very proud of this one. It's actually the 7th special edition that we've done.
Oh, okay. I did not know that.
Really hoping that people are going to enjoy this one as much as the previous one. So.
Yeah, so let's jump in because this box is like overflowing with goodies and we want to show you all of them and what you get inside of the kit. Okay, so we're going to open up the box and spread it all out so you can see
all of the goodies.
Isn't this like the most exciting part when you're opening the box and it's all
It's pretty much
revealed.
Christmas morning and you're just going to look at everything that you've got in front of you. It's great.
All right, so it comes protected in these little plastic bags.
Yep, so within the box kit you've got everything that you need to make the cards that we've got in the magazine. So it's packed with die cutting essentials, as you'd expect, and also a magazine of 68 pages worth of projects. So first of all,
I'm so excited.
Jeanette's very excited by
It's so cute.
the embossing folder,
It's tiny.
which is it's a strip, so it's got 5 different patterns going on in there. So there's a lot that you can do with that. What have you picked up next here?
Oh, yes, sorry.
Yeah, no. The alphabet die set, which you can either snip into and use the letters separately, or we like the idea of using it as like a background, keeping it as a oneer. It's really, really kind of nice, versatile panel that you've got there.
That's right, because all the letters, we'll show you up close, but all the letters are connected, so you can die cut and get a panel. Because it is, there are other die sets that I've seen like this. They're separate, and it's like, sometimes it's tedious too.
Well, and especially if you've got 29 letters kind of in your stash just kind of rolling around in there.
Oh my gosh, I really love this. I'm so excited. Okay.
Cool.
And then we have the stamp set.
Yeah, which has the numbers which coordinate obviously with your letters so that you can make all of the sentiments that you want. It's got some really nice patterns on there. There's a nice little star, and I really love this flower stamp that we have as well, which you'll see close up. It's really, really pretty. There's lots that you can do with that. And
I love it that it coordinates with, it's like the same font as the dies. Right?
Yeah, absolutely.
So love
and
that continuity.
The dies have a lovely like upper and lower case, so it's quite fun and quite casual. It's like a really nice mix.
Yeah. Oh, I like that. And then we have the papers.
Yes, really pretty papers. Really excited about these ones. It's actually a selection of papers and toppers that you can use in all your cards. So we're saying there's 98 pieces in there, including some lovely toppers with happy birthday and hello sentiments on there, and you can just mix and match. Yeah,
that's
really,
nice.
Really beautiful. So
I love that it's like pattern, a mix of pattern and plain.
Yeah. I think that one might be my favorite, the floral. It's so pretty. Yeah.
I love floral.
Yeah, absolutely. And they're just great because you can use them for backgrounds, or you can cut with them. There's so many different things that you can do there. And it's all put to great use in the magazine, of course.
And there's 61 projects in here that you can create
Yeah, it's packed. It's absolutely packed with loads of great stuff. The point of a box is that you can buy it and you can make all of the projects in here using the stuff that you get. So it's a really, really lovely kind of bumper package. Just put it with your usual kit, you get your glues and your inks, and you're ready to go.
You're ready to craft away and have just a great time.
Yeah.
And I love that there's something for everyone. There's beginner, like tutorials for beginners, and advanced, as well as like off the page projects.
Yeah, absolutely. We have step-by-steps as standard as any Die Cutting Essential fan knows, and there's some really, really good, useful ones in here. But then, you know, we've gone from making cards for teens to making cards for men. We've got gift bags, we've got gifts, we've got all sorts of things that you can just whip up using the kit. It's really, really excellent.
So besides the super cute embossing little folder, got my eye on that one. I really like it. And the die set and the stamp set and the papers and toppers and the ideas magazine. Is there anything else that's super exciting that you want to mention?
Well, yeah, we are super generous because obviously all your kit is worth more than 40 quid, but 8 of you will have a chance to win £560 worth of Crafter's Companion dies. They've got the Desire range easel die kits that you can win if you buy the mag and enter the competition.
They're gorgeous.
Yeah, they're really beautiful.
Eagle dies, like, you can't go wrong.
We've actually featured them in the main magazine before, and they're very, they make really delicate, beautiful cards, very feminine. So someone's going to get lucky. 8 lucky winners.
8 lucky winners. Yeah. Fantastic. So this is an exciting special edition of Die Cutting Essentials, and there are a few places where you can get your own copy. So you can get that at craftstash.co.uk.
Yeah, and you can also pick yours up at moremags.com.
Fantastic. Yeah. Thank you so much, Kirstie, for joining me for this unboxing. It really did feel like Christmas.
It really does. Can't wait to get playing with that, eh?
Yeah. Well, we'll see you all really soon. Have a great day.